Hello traders, again welcome back to a video. Today I'm going to take trade in these 5 pairs and we started our trading program. It's online live sections and the registration is started. So if you are interested you can join. Can invest only $20 in each pairs. So our trading program, it's not going to end with 7 or 10 days. It's a long time process, and here now we can see some sellers, and so we can go to the buyers. Here also we can place a call option with some margin of safety because I expect it will reject. Okay, we can go to buyers. Here it's a spinning top, so again we can go to the sellers here. But okay, there is a level there, so we can go to the sellers. Very good entry point. Here we can see some rejection. Now it's a shooting star candle and there is a level. I don't know why here buyers entry. I don't know why here sellers are entering. But okay, it's rejecting because the previous bullish candle is very strong, so it will make another one. It should be bearish. Okay, all are winning trade, and I think again we can go to the sellers here, but I need a good entry because okay, anyway I take only after this. I placed here a call option because of that previous strong bullish candle. Still there is a gap. It is the actual reversal here. You can see a level here. So the market will definitely fill that gap. Okay, and now we can see some strong sellers entry from exact level. So that's why I placed here a call option. And here I placed here a call option because the market is at reversals. We can see some levels here. Just wait. And if you observe here, you can see some levels in the left side. It is respecting there, so it will definitely respect here. That's why I placed here a call option. And I will do some more trades after the closing of this candle. Here, okay, here it's better to place a put option with some margin of safety here because there is a new low, so we can go to the sellers. Okay, very good entry point. Oh, here there is a bearish candle, but the present candle should be bullish because now the sellers become very weak, and it should be buyers because the sellers are very weak and there is no new low. I expect the candle to close as bearish, but I don't know why there is buyer's entry. Okay, finally it's closed below my entry because of my margin of safety. I got ITM here, and the present one also should be bullish because still there is a gap to the next reversal, so it will make another bullish candle there. So I need a good entry here. No problem, we can take trade after the closing of the present candle. Here we can go to the sellers because it's very strong candle and still there is a huge gap to the next reversal, next possible reversal. Here is a level, so it will reject after hitting this level. You can see some rejection from that exact level, so it should go more down because it is the actual possible reversal here, so it will reject and close as bearish. If it's a bullish candle, next one should be bearish, but I expect a bearish candle here. Okay, it was also, but still there is a gap, so but the sellers are very weak also, but it's better to place a put option here with some margin of safety. Still there is a gap, so if okay, I'm seeing a rejection, so I need a good entry. Okay, Okay, here we can go to the buyers. Sorry, sellers, I placed here a put option because I already saw a rejection. That rejection indicate the sellers want to go more down. That's why I placed here a put option, and we can see that still there is a gap to the next reversal, so the market will definitely fill that gap. It's a spinning top candle in the middle, so it will continue. Okay, it was also winning trade, and anyway, till now I placed, I think, total 6 trade or 7 trade. I think 6 trades, all are winning trade, and anyway, I don't take trade mode. Just draw and show something. Here is the next possible reversal, and we can see some buyers entry. We can see some buyers here. The level is working. That's why now we are seeing buyers entry. Anyway, I don't take trade mode. Thanks for watching my video. All of you, wish you good profit.